Everyone knows about ChatGPT, but 90% didn't realize that ChatGPT can also work with various Chrome extensions to enhance your browsing experience. So here are the 12 powerful ChatGPT Chrome extensions to supercharge your productivity.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
The first Chrome extension on our listing is called God in a Box. It's a niche extension but worth mentioning, because with this extension, you can use ChatGPT within WhatsApp. Conversation threads automatically reset after 10 minutes, and you can send a maximum of 1 message every 10 seconds. God in a Box is free for up to 10 messages a month. If you want unlimited messages, single user plan starts at $9 per month. Nobody likes replying to emails, so why not let the ChatGPT Rider extension do it for you? It's a free Chrome extension that can generate entire emails and messages using ChatGPT AI. Although it works on all sites, enhanced support is only available for Gmail. All you need to do is install the extension, launch it from any site, briefly enter what you want to write about, and hit the Generate Response button. Another ChatGPT Chrome extension that can help you write and build engagement on LinkedIn is EngageAI. Let's say you come across a popular LinkedIn post, but you don't want to take the time to read the entire thing. EngageAI will do the reading for you and generate a comment on your behalf. Moreover, you can choose the tone of your comment and edit it before you send it out. Prompt Genius is a free and open source browser extension that can assist you in discovering, sharing, importing, and utilizing the best prompts for ChatGPT. Additionally, it allows you to save your chat history locally for later review. With the Prompt Templates feature, you can quickly locate and add prompts to your collection. The extension allows you to search, categorize, and select prompts on the page, making it simple to find innovative and productive ways to use text generative AI. Promptheus is a valid Chrome extension for ChatGPT that adds a unique feature to the AI chatbot. This extension allows you to use your microphone to communicate with ChatGPT, turning it into a helpful voice assistant like Siri. Promptheus appears on the right side of the ChatGPT conversation window and does not interfere with your chat. To use this simple add-on, you only need to install it and hold down the spacebar. The microphone input feature makes interacting with ChatGPT much more accessible and convenient. Next up, we have Merlin, a Chrome extension that enables you to use ChatGPT on various platforms, including search engines, Gmail, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google Sheets, and any other website. After installation, you can easily activate the extension by pressing Ctrl+M on Windows or Command+M on Mac to access the Merlin box. This versatile tool offers several valuable features, such as creating replies, summarizing content, and shortening text. According to the developer, users can use the Merlin box on all Google searches, making it even more convenient. ChatGPT is limited in accessing the latest information on the internet, as its knowledge is limited to 2021 data. However, the WebChatGPT Chrome extension helps to overcome this by adding relevant web results to ChatGPT's responses. This extension allows ChatGPT to search the web for relevant links and display search results based on these links. With the ability to toggle the extension on and off, users can choose to have the added functionality or stick to native ChatGPT. If you want to learn from YouTube tutorials faster and save time, you can use a free Chrome extension called YouTube Summary with ChatGPT. This extension can generate transcripts and summaries of YouTube videos before you even play them. Once installed, a transcript and summary box will appear on the top right side of the YouTube page. Summarize is a Chrome extension that offers an AI-powered assistant to summarize articles and text instantly. The extension provides comprehensive, high-quality summaries that maximize speed and comprehension, trained with thousands of human written resumes. It is designed to help users stay up to date with everything they want to read and always take advantage of key ideas. Summarize is a tool to get through all open tabs faster and spend more time on what matters. If you want to enhance your website's search engine optimization, marketing, sales, and support, the AIPRM Prompts for ChatGPT browser extension is the solution. This extension offers a curated list of ChatGPT prompts tailored for various fields like SEO, science, marketing, art, programming. You can access these templates with a simple click and save tons of your time. The new Bing search engine powered by ChatGPT is impressive because it can quickly gather information directly on the search results page. If you want a similar feature in Google Chrome, you can use the ChatGPT for Search Engines extension. This extension shows ChatGPT responses alongside search results on Google, Bing, and DuckDuckGo. According to the developers, this extension allows users to ask ChatGPT anything, anywhere, and at any time. Last but not least, instead of opening a new tab and loading up ChatGPT, you can access the chatbot directly from your extension toolbox. Once you click on the icon, a drop-down window with the ChatGPT interface will appear, allowing you to brainstorm ideas quickly or construct a message. So there you have it, 12 powerful ChatGPT Chrome extension to supercharge your productivity. We've left all the links to these tools in the video description, so be sure to check them out and let us know which is your favorite in the comments. And if you want to see more awesome videos like this one, remember to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.